Hey guys, just wanted to say a big thank you to all of our supporters that stuck with us through this year. We did a great job growing our channel and we've had a lot of fun. And now that we've come to the end of the year and starting into another year, let's go into the year with lots of blessings and hope we all have a prosperous New Year's. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you on the flip side.
Wagwan, beautiful people. This is Nino from Nino and Lo. I just want to say and wish you all a happy new year. I want to thank all my supporters and viewers that have supported us throughout the year. And big up to my Air Canada family. And I know I'm big and I'm good. Respect. Love you guys. Hope to see y'all in 2023 and as we're going to get larger and larger. Be good and be safe. Wagwan, beautiful people. Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Welcome once again. Another episode of Cooking with Nino. That is absolutely delicious. Delicious, delicious. So if you like what you see and you'd like to see more, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode.